The Kaleidoscope program, it's a 5 days workshop that we have for migrants and refugees of any background qualification. And it's completely free of charge, you don't have to pay for anything. Kaleidoscope is founded by the Department of Training and Workforce Development and also is a partnership with Australia, Red Cross. You're going to learn about career strategy, network communication, right at work. You have the knowledge, but how to transfer your knowledge here in Australia and understand how to find the pathway for your work.
My name is Yulia and originally I'm from Ukraine. I have a current job, but I would like to get back to my previous occupation. So when I saw advertisement of this course, I was very excited. It's my second day here and I've learned lots of interesting things and very useful tips, which I hope will help me in the future to find my job.
My name is Austin, I'm from Argentina. Right now I'm in a gap to my career. This is a great first step because in this course I have the opportunity to know more about the culture, to the work here. I feel more comfortable with that.
Programs like this is definitely super important. And Evolve is coming together as a partnership because they are specialized training. So they are giving a really tailored training for the participants. It's really important that this program can be accessible to everyone. That's why we are delivering online, regional area, and metro area. After the 5 days, they are entitled to participate of the Mentor and Mentee program that is completely free of charge, and we pair them with a mentor to give the guidance for their career. We are building their confidence. Once I see them applying for jobs, getting the jobs, this is fantastic.
I really recommend this program. My dream is apply for the permanent resident. I really love this country and feel really comfortable here.
To empower them with the course completely fulfill me, and I see the difference.